Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons progress through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, let's now take a look at question 3B, Exercise 5. In question 3B, we are required to compose a freestyle melody in the style of given opening. In this particular exercise, we are given the opening bars of a march for bassoon in the key of C minor. In this lesson, I help to give compositional techniques such as using sequential treatment of a given fragment of the opening melody. I also suggest a modulation to the relative major key before returning back to the tonic minor key. Of course, we must observe the harmonies that our melody line will imply. We must observe the cadence points, and also we need to think about the technical requirements of the instrument for which we are composing. The full lesson is available on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there. You can find links to this full lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, sample examples taken from this full lesson will follow on to show you how I work with you step by step, note by note, bar by bar, just as if I was sitting right next to you. Everything you need to fully understand this advanced level music theory can be found in my Harmony and Composition textbook. This book is available from Amazon, and you can find the links to this in the cards and in the description box below. Enjoy your studies! So although we've got 4 beats in a bar, we want to sort of try and keep that 2 in a bar feel, like in the style of a march here. That's that direction there. So we've got a key signature of 3 flats. It could be E flat major, but here we can see these natural signs telling us it's going to be C minor. And we can see this ascending scale showing the raised 6th and 7th to the tonic note C. So we have this ascending melodic minor scale, and we have this kind of dominant tonic note, 5-5-1. So we're in C minor. So let's just sketch out our primary chords. So in C minor, chords 1, 4 and 5 will be based on notes C, the first, F, the fourth and G, building our triads. Now we have E flats in the key signature, A flats in the key signature, and really we want this B to be a B natural, don't we, as our raised 7th. So we're going to just watch that as an accidental. And then I suggest we modulate to E flat major. So although question 3B gives us the option to modulate or not, and we can perhaps be a little bit more freestyle with the rules, a march to me seems fairly traditional, so it makes sense to just keep to the traditional modulation system. 1-5-1, so I'm definitely wanting to be ending on an E flat, taking me to my new key. So if I have B flat, keeping to this chord F, chord 5, B flat, D, F, you know, it's just best to keep it simple, especially with this sort of fast-paced 2 in a bar yumping kind of style. Let's just see. So actually I'm going to treat this sequentially, and if I come down a step from here to F, so here we have like a chord 1 to a chord 5, or I suppose it could be chord 1, still part of the same E flat, G, B flat, isn't it? And then here, this is a chord 5, to the C. That takes us to a chord 4, and then E flat, that's still chord 4. We can use what we did here, but this time we will definitely raise the 7th because we're not changing into E flat major here, are we? So we'll take that B natural now.